How to add friends in Discord. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add friends in Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Discord. Make sure you log in into your account as well. After you do that, you will need to head over to any server that you want. So you can head over to any server you want. And on the server's member list, you can add some people whom you know or you don't know to be your friend. So, for example, if I just go to this public server and if I see anyone that I want to add as my friend, I can just right click or simply click on them. Then you'll see this option to add friend. Tap on that to add them as friends. And that's one way of doing it. And the other way is you can head over to this page right here on your uh, DMs where you can start to find friends. You can find or start a conversation. So from here, you can add new people as well. And also, you'll see the add friend option. Tap on it. And here you will need to type in username of your friend. Then after you find them, simply send them a friend request as you did earlier. And that's how you do this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.